Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, how can I lose fat faster through my abdominal area to showcase off my six-pack? One of my favorite tools that I'm wearing right now that you probably can't tell that I'm wearing is an ab wrap. And this is a McDavid ab wrap that I'm linking below, which you can wear all day and allows this area to get more heat, which allows more fatty acids to be released and hopefully burned if you're doing your strength training, more than if you weren't wearing this ab wrap. So basically what we're gonna do, we cover it up. Make sure you get your lower abdominals. Those are always the last to really lose the full amount of fat so you can get that full six-pack. And if you cover that lower abdominal area, you're gonna lose fat a little bit faster than if you weren't wearing this. And don't cover it too tight, because otherwise after you eat, you're gonna feel some stomach upsetness. Here's another tip. If you start to feel moisture, it's too wet, it's probably gonna have a cooling effect, which you should take it off, wipe it down, put it back on, and make sure you stay dry. If you're feeling just some heat and not that cool moisture, that's the sweet spot. I'll wear this from the AM into the late PMs without really any discomfort. The only time I might need a break is maybe right after I strength train, where my body really heats up. One thing about sizing is that if you get the one size fits all, you should be okay as long as your BMI is around a 27 or under. Otherwise, if you have any questions, comments, let me know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.